Going to be a big movement in order to liberate this country. Round hii ni Kenya ikombolewe na Yesu mwenyewe. It's not going to be no more election. What? With state-sponsored renting of crowds? You pay your citizens cash to attend your meetings? This is not the kind of country we envisage. This is not the country the young Kenyans, the Gen Zs, were expecting. You're paid attendance fee. Attendance fee. No. Something is gone wrong. The foundations are heavily compromised. And the righteous of the Lord shall arise and do something. Therefore, we'll go every place as the Lord gives us strength and energy to tell the story. This country must change. You cannot bribe people all the time. Neither can you lie to the people all the time. And so, I'm quite sure if we are not in this congregation, out there people will be shouting other people to go. I don't want you to shout in the church.